This is my channel, right? I can pretty much do whatever the fuck I want with this channel. Rest and self-reflection. Alright, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I am going to be testing out without showing much because I'm at the final stages of preparing for my launch date for my business. So today I'm testing out both of the Cricut machine and for the printer, which you're gonna see. So I bought, in preparing for this day, I bought premium white matte white vinyl sticker. And then I also bought a clear premium vinyl sticker paper. Honestly, the way she did her video was fantastic. I followed through the whole way through. Ali Standifer. So props to you, girl. Thank you for helping me out there. It took me a while. I had to set up my printer. I had to set up the Cricut, therefore download all the installations and whatsoever. And then I had to calibrate the Cricut. After fucking setting up the Cricut and setting up the printer, this all took an hour and a half, 2 hours. Finally, we're here. Let's get it going. Okay. Alrighty, send to printer. I'm printing it out from the Cricut design space. I'm not gonna show you guys what I'm printing. I'm gonna like blur it out because these are the final ones, and I've changed things obviously from the beginning of when I first started doing this whole thing. So I ain't showing you shit until the time comes, and I'm gonna talk about that later, but give me a second. Ooh, no, it did not turn at all what I thought it would turn out. Kinda sad. Well, why? I printed on the wrong side. Of course. Okay, this might have been the problem. Okay, again, I'm not showing you shit because... Okay, I like it. Okay, so we learned that the sticker part goes down. In case of any of you guys who are using a printer like this. Oh, how exciting. I want to show you so bad, but no. I don't know, this picture is kind of white. I think I got it. I had to change the background color because, as you know, it was the other one. I'm still going with the same color scheme, but I had to change the color of the purple on the background because it was too dark. Alright, bitch, let's go. Alright, I can't believe this is my first time using it and I'm like shookity. Wow. But when I printed it on the glossy paper, the color was fantastic. It was literally like, oh my god. The thing is, it is fucking clear. So I fucked up there. I'm gonna keep my paper flat because that's what I heard was a tip. This is my thing. Okay, again, I'm not showing shit. But here's me peeling off the paper. Wow, that was pretty good. I bought the Cricut used. So I did not think, because she told me she used it for a little bit, she didn't use it for much. She like used it for a couple months and that's it. So I thought that the blade was gonna be okay. So it was not. Yeah, it left me with a lot of, without showing much, but you can see there's like a slight, I don't know, there's like little hairs being left and I can tell it's blade not fucking fresh. As much as things did not plan out the way I wanted them to go, obviously, when do they ever? It was really fun. I really got to see how this sort of worked and where I have to improve and not improve. But I still have so much stuff to do, and I just feel like I don't have time. And you know what? You gotta make the time. You gotta make it. Priorities. I feel like everything is coming together, and the more I do it, the more stressed I am, because the more things I realize that I need to do. So I have a whole timeline with me. I put it on my wall over here. You can't see it. I'm not gonna show you. But it is exciting, and I'm fucking excited. I hope you guys are excited with me. I can't wait to show you guys what the fuck I've been doing. All I gotta say is gonna be luxurious, you know what I mean? I want like things, I want things for high class women who smoke, you know what I mean? Like, thank you guys so much for joining me. It has been a blast. I think I'm already at video 20, 23, 22, 23. Which is crazy to see. So I just want to take a moment here to appreciate all of you guys who have been watching my videos. The fact that like some people are interested, the fact that like just one or two are interested is just crazy to me. I thank you guys so much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for staying. If you can, leave a comment on how excited you are to see this fucking website and this fucking business open up and start selling some shit. Do not forget to subscribe. All of you who have not subscribed yet, I know you're watching, but like, subscribe to show me the support, you know what I mean? If you also want to support me, you can give it a little like. Thank you out to all the weirdos out there who are doing their shit no matter what. No shame 2022. I swear to God, this is my motto for this year. I swear to God. Have a beautiful day and follow your dreams. Follow your dreams, because honestly, the fact of you being scared of it is so fucking irrelevant when you first start doing it and you're like, wow, this makes me so happy and this fills out my soul. So to any of you guys who are scared to follow your dreams, no matter how fucking crazy they are, if it's living in another country or some shit, or like whatever, just fucking do it. Just do it. Because you're gonna regret it later in the future when you're old in a cane chair and some shit like that, and you're gonna be like, what if? ¿Qué pasaría? But yeah. Alright. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And have a blessed day.